And I'll also have a timeline in the summary below for those of you that just want to jump to specific parts of this tutorial. First up, a little bit about PrimeXBT. PrimeXBT launched in 2018 in the Seychelles, and it's a cryptocurrency exchange supporting trading crypto, stock indices, commodities, and foreign currencies. With PrimeXBT, you have access to leverage trading for a number of different assets, and these include over 40 different cryptocurrency pairs with a max leverage of 200x and several forex or commodity assets with leverage up to 1000x. If you're new to trading and you want to follow experienced and successful traders, you can use PrimeXBT's copy trading service. Or as an experienced trader, you can also make an additional income by sharing your strategies. Plus, you can earn interest on your crypto by staking your ETH, USDT or USDC with as little as $100. So let's jump in and take a look. And for those of you that are brand new to PrimeXBT, I'll have my link in the summary that you can use. To sign up for an account, you'll need to enter an email address and password and agree to the terms and conditions. Then once you enter the site, you'll be prompted to make a deposit and to start trading. However, we'd recommend securing your account before you start depositing any funds into it, which you can do under your settings on the left here. Then by enabling Google Authenticator, and that'll give you a one-time code for actions such as logging into your account. To use certain areas on the site, you'll also need to go through some KYC, including providing a selfie, uploading an ID document such as a passport, and providing some proof of address. For me, that all got approved in around 10 minutes. Under promo codes is where you can activate any referral or promotional codes. Ours is Every Bit Helps, which I'll also put in the summary, which you're welcome to use, and that'll get you a deposit bonus of 7%. Then once your account has been secured, let's take a look around the dashboard. This is where you can view your fund balance. You can exchange from one cryptocurrency to another, and you can deposit your funds into your account. You then have your wallets, which is where you'll find your wallet addresses for depositing specific cryptos, or you can also withdraw from here too. Then there's the margin trading account with total equity, P&L, and the ability to deposit and trade, and this is where you can also open up a new account, which we're going to come back to. Yield accounts is a way that you can earn interest on your crypto. Plus, there's a copy trading feature that you can use to mimic experienced traders. To start trading with PrimeXBT, you'll need to have some crypto to deposit. If you don't already have any, you can buy crypto directly from the platform. And you can buy cryptos Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, and USDT with fiat or traditional currencies such as US dollars, euros, or Great British pounds. Once selected, the available payment methods will then display. As you can see, they use Coinify for this service, where you can pay with Visa or MasterCard at a fee of 3.7% or 2% for SEPA transfers. If you want to buy with the likes of a credit card, then you just need to enter the amount that you'd like to spend, and the amount of your chosen cryptocurrency that you'll receive will display below. When you're happy, you can choose to buy crypto and then follow the prompts that are shown on your screen, entering in your personal details and card details, and then once confirmed, you'll receive an email with the purchase confirmation and details of your transaction. Now, buying in this way is convenient, and it's ideal for those that are new to crypto and don't have any to get started with. However, the fees can add up and eat into your profits. Therefore, if you already do have some crypto, we'd recommend depositing this to trade with instead. To deposit funds, choose Deposit beside Total Funds, or you can select the currency that you want to deposit and select the blue button beside it. And you can deposit Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and USDC. When you select the tab at the top, you can then choose the network if there are multiple networks to choose from. For example, with USDT or ETH, you can deposit on either the Ethereum or the Binance Smart Chain network. And it's important to know which network you're sending your crypto on, as if you choose the incorrect network address, you will risk losing your crypto. And we'd recommend sending a smaller test amount across first before you send across all of your crypto, especially if you're feeling nervous. You can then either scan the QR code using a mobile app or copy the address shown on the screen, then send your funds across to it. Once your funds have been sent across, you'll receive a deposit notification, or if you've bought it using the Buy Crypto service, they'll also appear under your wallet. When we click onto the balance or the crypto here, this is where you can find your wallet address for further deposits. Plus there's options for exchanging, withdrawing or buying. There'll also be a transfer history underneath. Next, let's take a look at making your first trade. To start trading, you'll first need to create a new margin account if you haven't already got one. And from here, you'll need to select the currency that you want to create a margin account for. Then choose Confirm. And in here is where you can also re-enter in a promotional or referral code. Once the margin account has been created, which in my case is my margin USDT account, you'll then need to fund it, which you can do by clicking onto the green Fund button. And transfers from your wallet are instant and free. Simply enter the amount or choose max, and then transfer. If we then head back to the main screen, you'll see that my margin and my margin USD account now have an active balance, and the funds have moved from my wallet. Then to place a trade, go to the trade interface by choosing margin trading at the top of the screen. So let's take a look around the trade screen now. Here you'll see that there are 3 trading modes to choose from, which is regular trading, which allows you to place new orders using a form where you can select parameters for your trade before sending your order, and you'll get a confirmation screen. Then there's one-click trading, where you can control orders and positions with one single click. And orders and positions will be sent, cancelled or closed immediately and without any confirmation prompts. And double-click also allows you to place orders, however this time you'll need to double-click. And both the one and double-click orders will be set as market orders, which I'm going to take you through in a moment. But let's select regular trading now, and then we're going to move on to the rest of the screen. We then have our balance, which is our trading and account balance, the equity, which is your balance and your unrealized P&L from all your open positions, your unrealized P&L, which is the combined profit and loss from all open positions, the use margin, which is currently reserved in open positions, available margin, which is obviously free margin that can be withdrawn to a wallet or used for trading, then finally your available margin shown as a percentage. Then we have all the available markets on the left, charts in the centre, orders in the bottom left, and positions in the bottom centre. To place an order, choose your trading pair, and I'm going to select BTC USDT. Then choose Buy or Sell from above the charts. It'll then show the symbol or the trading pair that you've selected, and you'll then have different order types, which are market, limit, stop, or one cancels the other. A market order is an order to be executed immediately at the first available market price. Limit orders allow users to enter a maximum or minimum price that they're willing to buy or sell at. A stop order is an order to buy or sell an asset once the price of the stock reaches a specified price, known as the stop price. And when the stop price is reached, a stop order becomes a market order. Then there's also the OCO order, or one cancels the other, and this allows you to combine 2 different orders under special conditions. Once one of the orders is triggered and executed, the second order is automatically cancelled. Plus you can also set up additional protection orders for any new market, limit or stop order by clicking onto the place stop loss or take profit in the order form. And this allows you to set stop loss prices and take profit prices. Then in terms of fees, a trade fee is incurred each time you buy or sell assets on the market, i.e. each time you open or close a position. And current trade fees on margin trading accounts are 0.05% for cryptocurrencies or 0.0001% for Forex, indices and commodities. And I'll just select market order for now. And you'll then need to enter the amount of the currency that you wish to trade, and it will show you the current bid or ask price here too. Then choose the side of the order, i.e. whether or not this is buy or sell. The margin impact, which reflects the estimated amount of margin. And when you're happy, you can choose to send order, which you'll then need to confirm with regular trading. If your order is executed and filled immediately as mine has, it will then show under your positions. And it will show you the side, i.e. bought or sold, the size of your order, fill price and P&L, plus any take profit or stop loss that you might have set up to minimize your losses. If at any point you want to close your position, simply choose the X icon on the far right here beside the position that you want to close, where it then provides a summary of your position, and you can enter the amount that you'd like to close and then choose close position, and again confirming your choice. Now if you'd like to create a limit order, I'll show you that now on the sell side. So let's select sell. Choose limit from the list, and again choose or enter in the amount, and then you need to enter in your limit price. Plus you can also place your stop loss here, and then you can select your order duration from good to cancelled or day. Then choose to send order and confirm, and your order will then place. If your order is still open and it's not yet been filled, these will be displayed under orders in the bottom left. Then if we double click onto the order, it will show you all the details about your active orders so that you can manage them, which allows you to modify and change your order parameters, then edit and replace your order and confirm. Plus you can also click on the X icon in the top right of your order to cancel the selected order. Now if you're new to trading and you want to follow experienced and successful traders, you can use copy trading, which is made up of strategy managers and followers. The creator of a strategy is known as a strategy manager, while those who follow a strategy are followers, and they automatically replicate the trades of the strategy that they're following. Creating a strategy allows the strategy managers to receive a percentage of all the profits that are made up by their followers, while allowing followers to make passive profit without having to personally trade on the market, therefore maximising profit potential for both parties. To follow a strategy, go to the Rating tab on the left-hand side of the screen, which shows the current ratings and core statistics of all the strategies. Here you can review any strategy that you want to follow, and you can also filter and view a summary of how they're performing, active dates, followers and ratings. To follow, click on the strategy, which will then bring up further information about that strategy, then just choose to follow, where you would then enter in your initial following amount, and just be aware that as they state here, this does involve risk of capital loss. Therefore, you should not operate with funds that you can't afford to lose. And you'll then need to agree to the terms and conditions and click follow to start the following. And any active followings plus your following history will be displayed under your portfolio tab on the left-hand side of the screen, where you can also manage by taking profit, stop loss a following, or you can also manually stop a following. Next, I just want to touch on yield. So yield accounts allow you to stake your crypto and earn interest. And you can get started with as little as $100. With PrimeXBT, you can stake ETH, USDT, and USDC both on ERC20. Simply choose the currency that you want to stake and then start earning. Enter the amount that you want to stake and agree to the terms and conditions, then click on to stake. And after you click on to stake, your stake will become active at midnight UTC. You'll find your stake crypto under your current staking section, available on the left-hand side of the screen. Then finally, I'll show you how to withdraw from PrimeXBT. If your funds are in a margin trading account, you'll first need to withdraw these back to your wallet, which you can do by clicking onto the margin account where your funds currently are, and then choose to withdraw. Enter the amount or choose max and transfer. Then from the dashboard, if you select the crypto you'd like to withdraw, choose the network from the drop-down, and you'll then need to add new to enter the address for the withdrawal and add a comment which may help you to identify what this wallet address is. Then just choose add. And you may then be prompted to enter in your Google authentication code and also an email PIN number to add this address to the whitelist. And this is to confirm that it's you that's actually setting up this address and not someone else. Once confirmed, you can then enter the amount or choose max to withdraw it all. The fees will then be displayed below, which are on a crypto by crypto basis. For example, the fees right now with Bitcoin is 0.005 BTC, or with ETH is 0.002 ETH. Or for the likes of USDT or USDC, the withdrawal fees will vary depending on the network that you choose. For ERC20, it's either 10 USDC or USDT, or for BEP20, it's 0.8 USDT or USDC. Then when you're happy, you can choose to submit to withdraw. But that completes our beginner's guide to PrimeXBT. Then I hope you enjoyed this